Hey guys, Punky here. Today I will be unboxing some items of Japan. I actually opened this already because I couldn't wait, but I'll show you guys. So I got, as you can see, I got these. I got some stickers. You guys love these stickers. The Sakura. I also got, I'll show you this one. You can see Hanako. Some of these are rare. This is a poster. You guys probably seen before somewhere. It's the Hanako space astronaut one. Actually pretty big. So it tells you I guess the moons. It's actually really long. Comes with a little paper that says, who knows, because I don't know Japanese. I mean, I do know a bit, but nah, I could definitely not read you all that. Put it away. Let's continue. I got some more door hangers. Let's see on this one. And give me a second. I got some bleach items. I'm gonna start selling more items of other animes. I'm gonna probably start selling. Ooh, excuse me. Start selling Attack on Titan. My bad. Demon Slayer. A bunch of other animes. If you got any recommendations or any animes you want me to put more, just leave it in the comment, and I'll try to get them. I'm gonna do it slowly, but I'm gonna start putting more items. Figures for sure. Another Ghost Hotel Cafe picture book. And this one. And, oh, my bad. Another one. And I got this. I don't know what it is, but it looks like those protectors for the books, but it looks completely new. I don't know what it is. You guys know? It doesn't have any number, or maybe this is the number? Let me know if you guys know, because I have no idea. I never seen it. Let's open another one. This one is a playing cards. You guys seen them already. Put it here. This here. Oh, I got more bleach. I'll show you guys. As you can see, I am trying my best to push it. These tapes are so strong. Oh my god. Look at this. You can see me struggling with some coasters and some pictures. And Oh, and the acrylic stand. The acrylic stands were big. As you can see. There was my whole hand. I'm gonna be selling these on my store if you guys are interested. These are some keychains I'm gonna be selling also because I haven't put them on my store yet. You can see the tapes are so strong. Put it here. Oops, sorry. They have another little loophole where you can see it, so you could like hang some other keychain, or you could put like a little yeah, technically another keychain, a little flower or something, you know, as a keychain. You could be creative. And then they have the little, let me see. Let's see. What's that? Okay. Let's do this instead. Give me a second. Better. Oh yeah. I got more. Got a little monkey. Monkey with a mustache. That'll. Tsukasa. Sakura. Oh. I'll put all these for sale later today or tomorrow, depends how busy I am putting orders, because I will be putting lots of orders today. Let's open another one. Let's go with this one. Put that there. A second to put the box away. Give me a second to open it. Oh my god, it's so big. Give me a second, let's put so much tape. Ooh, let me take them all out so you guys can see. Ooh. I'll be selling these keychains. They're big. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It looks fancy. I got 2 Mitsubas. Second to take away the tape. And they're big. So, I think they're cool. I think they were China themed. I was not sure. That's what I read on the store of Hanako. But they're so nice. I mean, they're anchored on the back, but they're nice and big. Ooh, I got some 2 of. Give me a second. Oh my god. I got two of him. Two of him. Two of him. I think I have two already Mitsuba available and Peru on my store, but I will be putting the rest later today or tomorrow. And those were heavy for sure. Okay, let me open these. Or let me take them out. Ooh, empty. Taking away these little babies. I don't know if you can see them. It's their tape, their washi tape. I don't know how they could use it. I would never use that tape. I already put it safe and sound in my collection. Maybe she has a lot. That's what she could put a lot of them. Okay, so it's the Sailor theme acrylic stamps. Oh, they could also be made as keychains if you don't want to put them as stamps, but I put them as stamps because I feel like I'm gonna lose them and I will cry if I lose them in the street, especially since I'm everywhere. Tsukasa? Look at them, they look adorable. Okay. I think there's one available in my store. Only one now, because I think they took the other one. Yeah, I think they took this one. So, I'm gonna do orders today. Please check your emails just in case I message you. If not, I'm gonna text you, and it kind of feels weird texting people, and especially for order problems. So please check your emails in case you're not, or check your address for sure. I don't want to send your order to the wrong place, and you will get your order late. That's not good. So please check your orders, because I'm gonna start doing orders today and tomorrow morning. Second to take away the tape. What's it called? So yeah, let me know if you guys are looking for something specific, or you know, recommendations on other animes to put. Leave it on the comments and I'll read it, so I could start looking for new items. Also, I mean, obviously I will keep putting Hanako because you guys love the Hanako merch so much. And let's see this beautiful thing. It's for a customer, but it's a little board, but it's from the Ghost Hotel. They look so cute. Look at that. Hanako, of course, the manager. Yashiro is the visitor. Tsukasa is the little ghost. Sakura sleeping. Aoi, I think she's the maid. Akane, I think is the bellboy. Teru is just freaking weird. Mitsuba and Ko, I think they're in the kitchen. So I'm guessing they're kitchen workers. Toshigomori is the key holder, or the bell guy. And Tsuchugunori, I think his name, I keep forgetting his name so long. I think he's the one that takes the food to the people in the hotel room. Isn't that cute? It's for the G Fantasy 25th anniversary. I'm selling one right now in store. This is super rare. I didn't know about this a few weeks ago, but it's super rare and expensive, so if you don't get one, you'll never get one. They're so expensive. I saw them and I was like, wow. But it's cute. I like it. I'll probably get mine soon because I really like this. Let's open another one. Let's put this a bit more with it so, you know, they don't get in the way. Let's see. This one. good. I think they... Okay. I don't know how they put it inside, but it's inside. No tape. Okay. Okay. Let's take this out. And open it from here. So, if you guys ordered the book of chapter 13, 0, and I can't remember the other one. Is it 14? 13, 14? Well, and they're gonna take a bit while because apparently they're really out of stock. Well, they're not out of stock. I guess they make them so they could ship them. So it probably just take like 2 weeks. It's another one. The cards. Put that one there. Another one of the little wolves. Cute, adorable babies. Oh, wrong way. My bad. Cute. Another of the carnivals. So you can see it goes like this. It has some instructions how to make it. I think there's one available in my store. I'll probably make one so you guys can see them how they are. Let's see. Let's open this one. Okay. They put it in the frozen bag. Apparently frozen is still popular. I don't know what, but the bag smells good. I don't know why I sniffed it. Oh, there's another one, of course. Another one of these. Some stickers. Some stickers. Cute. More stickers. They're cuties. Look like they're dancing. Let's see, let's put this down here. Another one. This one. The bookmarks. The poster with the water guns. And the, I don't know, it's a hotel one. Princess, I don't know. No idea, the queen. There's so many I can't keep up. Okay. Put these up here. Let's see. Oh, one came out. The Demon Slayer keychains. I'm selling these in my store. I'm not really a Demon Slayer fan. Well, I never seen it, so you know. Some of these. You can see it. This one. I'm selling this in the store. You guys want them? This is from that one. These are some items for a customer. They're Ichigo acrylic, Ichigo like bookmarks. And some cards. They're like super rare, super expensive, but that's for a customer. Yeah, these are for a customer, so I'll show you this later. This is it? I think this is another. Yeah, I was right. Let me fix this car. Oh, okay. Nice. Let's see. Oh, okay. I have two items. No, it's a box. So I'll show you guys. This is I think for a customer. I am not 100% sure, but I think it is since it's big, and I think she's gonna be happy to see it. Oops, sorry. Sorry, that song was loud. I don't know why. Oh, oops. Okay, let me show you. They all squished it inside. It's a Kirby backpack. You have to squish it with the vacuum thingy so they could put it in there. I'm sorry, so much messy, so much bubbling. But yeah, alas, this came really quick. It's a big backpack. She said it's rare, and it is, because it comes from the Kirby, the Yummy Donut Kirby Napco. So I'm guessing it's from the arcade, or it came from the cafe, because the cafe was also selling a bunch of Kirby stuff. And let's see what else. I think there's something else. Oh yeah, there's something else, and that's it. Let me open the box, because the box are taped. Okay, I have no idea how this box is, but let me try to. There's tape everywhere, and sometimes you don't even know where it's from. I'm sorry, I have to break the box. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's a pedal brush. Oh my god, that was a struggle. You can see it? Whew. That box was hard to open. And yeah, that's all the items I got. I'll be getting more next week. And I will be getting some new items from this other place. So I'll show you guys later. I'll probably do a live stream, so you guys see it. And yeah, so you got a recommendation, let me know in the comments. Go follow me on Instagram so you can know all the new items I put every day on my store, or updates of any Japanese items. Hopefully I'm trying to save money so I could buy a new monitor so I could look a bit better and I could move it more. It's like $200, so it's not that much, but since I don't get paid that much, I'm start saving so I could get it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and comment and like, and love you guys. You guys are the best. So I'll see you around. Bye.